How to block or unblock someone on Instagram Lite. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if you want to block or unblock someone on Instagram Lite, what we're simply gonna do is first of all, launch the application on your device. After that, if you want to block someone, what you should do is go to the messages, go to the person's name you want to block, then click on their name or click on the eye which is right over here in the top right corner of your screen. After that, if you want to block them, in the bottom of the page you can see the option block which is written in red letter. Click on it, then click on block. If you do that, they will be blocked. Then if you want to unblock anyone, what you can do in order to do that is first go to your profile by clicking on the bottom right corner of your screen. Then in the top right corner you can see three bar option. Go there, then go to settings. After you do that, go to the option privacy, then scroll a bit down, then go to the option which says blocked accounts on your connections. Now over here you'll see all the accounts you've blocked on Instagram Lite, and in order to unblock them, just click on unblock which is written beside their name and then click on unblock. If you do this, they will be unblocked. So this is how you can successfully block or unblock someone on Instagram Lite. Thanks for watching the video till the end. Hope you like it and see you in the next video.